we back at some more level crossings fun. So here we are at Nether Poppleton level crossing in North Yorkshire. It's a brand new level crossing. It's built in 2022 in August. It's 3 years ago. They put 4 barriers, and it's safety so the train will pass. Here comes the train. It's Northern Rail, class 158. The barriers are raising now. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you again with another video. Bye.